I'm making me some Greek-style lamb meatballs, and I just chopped or minced some garlic. And now I'm going to create lemon zest with some lemon. Okay, here is the ground lamb, and I already did the lemon zest, and I cut 2 to 3 thin slices of lemon. Now what I'm going to do is add garlic and lemon zest. That's this right here. Add that in there. This is a ½ teaspoon of dried oregano. Oh. Garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. And a 1/4 of a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. I find when I use that, it's better to use less. Added a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So I put ground lamb, garlic, lemon zest, oregano, garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper. So now what we're going to do is combine it all until it's well incorporated into the meat. So we'll go ahead and work on that. I made 10 meatballs. They say 9 to 12 for the recipe, and I put some thin lemon slices on top of this. I already preheated the oven to 400. So let's go ahead and stick this inside the oven. Here we go, and we'll cook it for about a ½ an hour. I drained the oil and just kind of let it drip in the sink because this lamb meat had a lot of oil in it. And what I'm going to do is take it out of here and just dribble a little bit of olive oil on top of it for flavor. Yeah. Okay, here is the what it looks like. I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on it. It's fattening enough, so just enough for flavor. Okay. That's enough. They say to put much more than this. I just want just enough for flavor. That's good. That's good. Now I'll let you know what it is like, eh? Let's try it. I just wanted to boost my protein, you know. And I had some leftover ground lamb to use. Let's try this. Not bad. This would be really good with a salad. Yeah. So I'll be posting this at my cooking channel. Not bad.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart's pure and strong. With the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah. She's the first, a passionate crusader. Standing by the side of conquer it all. Through space battles and trials.